Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I'm a mom to two boys, and let me tell you something about raising young boys. Hygiene is not always top priority for them. But I love this Harry's body wash because it is geared toward men and boys, and it helps especially my 10-year-old be motivated to take care of himself. He doesn't think it's like girly or froofy. I think it makes him feel grown up that he's using a product that his dad likes as well. This particular scent is Wildlands. It smells really good. There's notes of eucalyptus, cypress, and white birch. It has an excellent lather. Both of my boys really love it. They won't go back to the kids type of body wash anymore. Harry's is where it's at. So if you are a mom trying to get your little boys to wash themselves well, or just a man that wants a refreshing scent, we are a huge fan of Harry's Wildlands body wash. But that's just our point of view.